Romel Gonzalez.
Yes. Yes, hello. First, congratulations sa inyo.
Thank you so
Ganda
much.
ng performance mo. I have two questions. First is, ano inspiration dun sa kantang Ace?
Ace po kasi it means activate confidence to empower po talaga, kaya ACE. So ginawa ko na lang po siyang Ace. And because I wanted to empower. Thank you.
You want to empower.
Yeah, I wanted to empower other people through my songs. So, yun po yung ginawa ko main track for my album.
So, gaano kalapit si Zayla dun sa kantang Ace?
Parang binis ko po siya sa experience ko. I had a friend po kasi, he called me an ace. So, sabi ko, why not do it as a song ko? So, parang sinabi niya kasi, I do everything, almost everything on my own po. Kasi soloist nga po ako. So, sabi niya, parang daw po akong ace. So, ayun po, doon po nag-start, kaya ako po siya ginawa po.
Tapos kanina nabanggit na you're the first solo P-pop artist na nag-perform recently sa Waterbomb Festival, di ba?
Yes po.
Pwedeng, ano yung hindi mo malilimutan doon? May na-meet ka bang international mga singers? Ano yung memorable doon sa performance mo sa Waterbomb?
First, yung performance po for sure. Because that was my first big stage din po. And it was so fun kasi first Waterbomb na siya here in Manila. And I haven't really tried it din sa Korea before. So, pero pinaka naging memorable po was I met Jessie kasi she was the main act for the second day for Waterbomb. So yun po. She also talked to me before. Sabi niya, "Okay, you're so skinny." Sabi niya sa akin ganun. And then she touched me here po. I was like, I'm not gonna wash this. Pero nung bumalik po ako sa Waterbomb, na-wash out din siya. So. Pero yun po yung pinaka-memorable for me because siya po yung pinaka gusto ko ding ma-meet during that time po.
So yun nga, pwede mong ano yung feeling na ma-meet mo yung ng personal yung taong iniidolo mo for the first time?
It was very surreal po because I've never really admired other artists from Korea much. Because I was from the US po, so parang mas ano ko doon. And then, na-meet ko nga po siya. Nung Waterbomb po kasi we had interviews then. So, inas po nila, sino yung gusto kong ma-meet? And I always say Jessie. And then, nangyari po siya. So, very, very happy po ako talaga that time.
Ayun, thank you Zayla and
Thank you po.
congratulations.
Maraming salamat, Romel Gonzalez. Ang next na magtatanong ay laging umiiyak. Mula sa ABS-CBNnews.com, Josh Mercado.
Hello po. And I wanna know kung bakit Lockhart yung title ng album.
My name po is Zayla Lockhart. And then it came from there po, sa last name ko. And we decided po kasi na parang something concept about, personally sa akin po. Kasi yung songs is more of like, sinulat ko. So parang dun po nag-start yun. And then Lockhart, because I'm locked in sa goals and yung gusto ko pong ma-achieve in life.
You mentioned before na yung songs mo or ikaw, gusto mo ng women empowerment. Women
Yes.
empowerment.
Yeah.
Gaano kahalaga sa iyo yun na may parating yung message na ganyan?
Very important because I'm a woman myself, so it's very important for me. And you know, sa days po kasi ngayon, parang mas nagkakaroon kami ng voice, women. So parang gusto ko nga pong gamitin yung platform ko para ma-empower pa yung mga tao. Not just women, but like, kasi woman nga po ako, so parang mas prioritize ko yung gusto ko maging bosses ng mga babae po na hindi kaya magsalita po for their own po.
Last na, your reaction na parang kinukompare ka or parang may hawag ka raw kay Sandara Park. Your reaction to that. Thank you.
I get that a lot, but I take it as a compliment po. Because hello, that's Sandara Park. Who doesn't want to compare? But she's really good. Kung through face lang po, mas maganda siya, I think. And more talented. We have our own beauty and talent. Nasa amin lang. We stand on our own po. But I'm really glad every time they compare me to her. Because she's Sandara Park.
Okay, thank you, Josh. And from Abante, Eminin and Abante Liling, Ray Pumaloy.
Teka sandali. Pinaghintay.
Hello po.
May international appeal yung kanta mo, girl. Parang pang-Asian tapos pwede rin pang US, Europe. May plano bang ganon?
Yes,
Kaya
that's the goal po.
kaya ganito yung concept, even the music video. So, pakibigyan kami ng detalye kung kailan ba to or paano ba siya. Meron na ba kayong collaboration sa mga record companies, specifically in Korea or kung saan man?
For the music video po, it's already out on AK Prime Music YouTube channel, and we made this together with Front Asia po. Si Miss Ray nandito po siya. That was a collaboration with them din po. And yun, tinulungan po niya ako yung concept po kasi na gusto ko is like yung tarot cards nga. And then lahat yung gusto naming ideas, ginawa po nila, tinulungan po nila kaming gawa ng storyline, yung mga ganun po.
Hello? Hello, ayun. Kasi parang ang dami na rin mga ganyang style, no, na pang K-pop or something. Marami na rin grupo ng ganyan. So palagay mo paano ka lulusot? Though impressive naman at saka medyo interesting naman yung concept ng music video mo and yung packaging mo. Sa palagay mo, ano yung edge mo sa kanila? Kasi ngayon, puro grupo, di ba? 3, 5, ang dami, mga ganyan. Pero pang bini, tapos meron pang ano. So, ano kaya yung pwede pwede mo maging edge para mapansin ka nila?
Sa Pipa po kasi we just have a small community, and konti lang po yung P-pop soloist din na nagde-debut. And what set me apart, maybe I do everything on my own po. Like, I don't have any group members to like kahati po sa lines. So, parang ako po yung nag-rap, I dance on my own, I have my backup dancers, but I still sing alone. Wala pong tumutulong sa akin sa lines. So, I feel like yun po yung nakabukod po sa akin sa kanila.
You do most of the things din, ano? So, talented
Yes,
ka.
I wrote most of the songs din po sa album. So, that made me the composer of the songs din po.
Ilan yung mga na-compose mo na songs?
6 po. And then for 10 tracks po kasi I have 10 tracks sa album. And then I have 6 songs that I wrote. And then yung 4 songs po, other composer po. It's very easy.
Okay, mga dalawang question na lang. Sino kaya sa mga P-pop group natin ngayon ang parang bet mong magkaroon ng collaboration? Kasi si Sarah meron ng SB19, di ba?
Yes. I wanna do Ate Sarah Judy po. Pero if sa P-pop, I'd say Beanie po. Because sila yung parang queens of P-pop. And then, or G22. Since medyo vibe po yung genre namin.
If ever ito last question, if ever nahingat ka ng composition mo, kanino mo kaya gustong ibigay dun sa dalawang nabanggit mo?
I feel like mas mag-work po yung genre ko sa G22 because we both have like a baddie genre. The lyrics then is more of empowerment, women empowerment pa yung mga ganun.
Thank you, congratulations,
Thank you
and good
po.
luck.
Thank you, Mama Ray. Ang susunod na magtatanong mula sa Net 25, Cesar Ian Patingal.
Hello po.
Congratulations,
Thank you po.
Zayla, for your yung isang buong album na. Previously, you are releasing singles, pero ito na yung time na nag-release ka ng album. And it's contains 10 songs live. Ang tanong ko po, ano yung advantage ng being a solo performer na hindi ka included sa isang grupo? Tapos ano rin, hindi rin natin mababanggit na disadvantage. Siguro ano yung challenges naman ng solo ka at hindi ka yung grupo in the P-pop community?
To answer your first question po, I feel like yung advantages was I can do any genre. Because I don't have members to ask kung gusto nyo ba to, agree ba kayo dito. Kasi that's what I see po sa other P-pop na mga naging, yung mga friends ko po. And I can do ballad, pop, like different genres po. Disadvantages naman, it gets super lonely sometimes, but like I make myself busy na lang para hindi ko siya maisip. Because I'm focused with my goals and my careers po. So yun na lang po yung iniisip ko din. I mean, it's fun. Nakikita ko kasi sa kanila na fun nga. May friends ka, may kasama ka sa dorm. But at the same time, kasi pinasa ko naman po dito sa an artist. So mas nagpo-focus po ako sa artistry ko na lang po.
Kaya in every performances, lalo na pag live, kailangan ng backup or backup dancers.
Not all the time po, but like yung mga gantong events or sa mall shows po minsan wala po akong backup dancers. I do sing, perform alone po.
Last question ko is, may internal competition ba sa P-pop community? Kasi dumadami, lumalaki, marami, halos sa isang buwan-buwan may nila-launch na bagong P-pop, solo man, na mostly grupo. Pero may internal competition ba sa inyong mundo?
I don't think so because I mean we're rising, but I feel like we know most lahat po. Nami-meet ko sila. Pero I don't feel any competition because we're here to uplift other people and us then artists. So parang lahat po kami busy sa training to fill that pa. And lahat po kami focus sa goals namin kasi gusto lang naman namin umangat lahat. Because there's always space on top. Pwede naman po kami umangat lahat so we don't have to compete talaga. Thank you po.